Hello everybody, this is 2008 Subaru Tribeca, and today we're going to be installing push start button. And as you can see, the car is loaded up here, this crossover, and I already set it up, everything ready. This is the relay and these two wires that hooks up. One hooks up to the black and white and one hooks up to the green. So if you own Subaru Tribeca 2008 to 2012, the wiring ignition is the same. And this is the push start button that will go over here, or somewhere that is really neat, but the owner wants here, so we're gonna be putting right there. And when I finish, I'm gonna be making the whole thing, and to show you that it works, because I didn't want just to turn on the key and then push start. That it don't make sense to me, so I suggested you push the brakes first and then you start the car. That sounds cool, because there's no reason for you to have the car start with just push a button with no security, nothing. So this gives you a little bit security. And I'm gonna demonstrate one time and then I will continue with my video. Key on. You can see key on, and if you push, nothing is coming on, but you have to push the brakes and then the car starts. See, that's really cool. Alright, we'll be continuing our video later. This is installation of the backup camera, and I'm trying to finish it up. I drilled a hole for the ignition, so I'm gonna be finishing up, doing some fitting. There's where the camera is going, but I didn't finish it yet, so we'll be finishing it up soon. Now we have finished everything. The Tribeca is ready to go on the road. As you can see, the push to start is ready. It's red, and the backup camera is ready too. So let's see how it works on everything. You gotta do is push the brakes, start the car, and put reverse. As you can see, everything is cool. It's working perfect. Perfect. Tribeca. Everything's cool now. Backup camera, cool. Cool. Push start, cool. Alright, till next time.